To create a full mecha design, we have to combine any tools and skills. The very first step is line drawing. All of the artwork around the world start with a line. There are two types of line that we need to master. First, straight line. To draw a straight line, you have to hold tight the pen and move the hold hand instead of whist. To make the line straight and powerful, hold tight the pen and move the whole arm, not only wrist and fix shoulder position. We can apply the similar method for curve line. After mastering line and curve, now we will start to create basic 3D shape. The very basic shape is cube, which is created from 6 squares. The combination of multi-shape we create a 3D shape. Beside the basic 3D shape is cube, we also have two other primary shape like cylinder and sphere. And now, let's go to the final tool that will the most important skill when designing a mecha. It's slice a 3D shape. As you can see, when slicing a 3D shape with a surface, you will receive a new shape, like you are cutting a cake or sculpturing a status. Now, we have enough useful tool to start to design a complete mecha. Let's start. To have a good design, we have to choose the design language for our design. In this case, the triangle shape will stand for velocity, a high mobility model. Using the same method, tool and keep the design language constant on the whole design and combine them together, we will get the general form of the whole concept. We can also add more detail for your concept by adding some hole, line panel, cooler system.
After drawing initial sketch, now we will draw line art to make our concept clearer and easier to execute next steps.